So my car has this little issue that I'm gonna attempt to fix today. Seatbelt does not retract both sides, so it just kind of just hangs down there like that, and it's hella annoying. So I'm like, today I'm gonna work on this and fix it. So according to ChatGPT, this is the magic potion. So hopefully this works and ChatGPT doesn't mess my shit up. So after spraying this thing down multiple times and like really cleaning this thing completely, this is the final product. Try that again. Way better than before. So I'm just gonna keep doing it, but she works. Let's go.